In this video, I'm going to show you how we can get back accidentally closed web browser tab of Google Chrome. Like this is a tab, okay, and accidentally we are closed, and how we can get back that one, like same page. Sometimes it's happened, we close our tab accidentally and we want that one again, but we cannot. So in this case we can easily get this one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, Basic Computer Soothing, where I discuss the basic computer knowledge of tips and tricks. Guys, whoever the new on my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Okay guys, let's begin the video. So it is very easy. Let me open some of the web browser. Okay, this is a Chrome web store. Okay, we remember, and let me open one YouTube. Okay, let me open another browser also. Let's open anyone from here. Okay, worldwide meter. Okay, well, I supposed to be open 1 2 3 4 page. Okay, so let me close one by one and I will show you. It is very easy to regain it. Suppose I accidentally close it. Okay, I accidentally close these two web browser, and how we can get, it's very easy. Go to the keyboard and press Shift Ctrl T. You see, again Shift Ctrl T and you will get the same page. See, this is how we can easily get back our accidentally closed web browser page. Guys, I hope this is a very good tips for you. I hope you learned something from this video, and I think this is a good tips for you guys, right? Guys, whoever the new in my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. See you guys in next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.